Welcome back to my channel. This artwork is actually a special request from one of my subscribers. They suggested I paint Goku, and I thought it would be a great challenge to capture his energy and power in watercolor. I always love hearing your ideas, so if you have any character requests, let me know in the comments and draw yours next. Let's get started. I always start with the background first because it helps me plan the lighting and overall atmosphere of the painting. For this piece, I wanted a strong contrast cool blue on one side and fiery orange on the other, representing Goku's power and energy. I used a wet and wet technique for smooth blending. The blue side gives a calm, controlled energy, while the orange side brings out a more intense, fiery feel. If you're working with watercolors, let the layers dry before adding more depth. With the background done, I moved on to sketching Goku. I focused on a strong pose with sharp angles to emphasize his strength. Since Goku is a battle-hardened warrior, I wanted to give him a more rugged and detailed look. For the base skin tone, I mixed a light peach with a hint of red to create warmth. The key here is to layer gradually. Watercolors are all about patience. If you go to dark too soon, it's hard to fix later. Next, I focused on shadows and highlights. Goku's muscular structure needs strong contrasts, so I used darker browns and blues to a depth. The highlights on his arm and face make him look more three-dimensional. The Tornji outfit was a fun challenge. I used a mix of dark blue and black to create the worn fabric effect. Adding small details like scratches and folds makes the painting feel more alive. for the most exciting part, the Dragon Ball. I wanted it to glow as if it's radiating energy. I started with a gold and yellow base and then deepened the color around the edges. Adding white highlights gave it the extra shine. For the finishing touches, I adjusted the shadows, darkened some outlines, and enhanced the energy effects. These small details make a huge difference in making the painting pop. Here's the final result. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Goku looks powerful, and the colors bring the scene to life. What do you think? If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment.